You might want to put another eye on that gorilla, son.
It's a door.
Okay, now let's do it. Oh, all right, everybody, just call your broker. I'll be Hello?
Dr. Huxtable, please.
This is Dr. Huxtable.
Dr. Huxtable, this is the auction house. We're just finishing lot number 64. Your lot is coming up next.
Okay, just 1 second, please. All right, everybody, take a nap. Okay, go ahead.
Lot number 65, the Charlie Parker recording of Night in Tunisia. We start the bidding at $100.
100.
I have 100 down in front. 125.
We're at 125, sir.
Now, is there a fellow there with a corduroy jacket and a beard? Looks like he should be bird watching.
There sure is.
150.
He just bid 150.
He is the enemy. Do you understand me? Now, I want you to give him the Huxtable stare.
Huh?
I want you to fix your face in a way. I want your eyes to be narrow. I want your lips close to your teeth. Have a look like you would eat him alive. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
200.
It's 200 to you, sir.
All right, I want you to stare at him. Staring down and say 225.
225.
I have 225 on the phone. 225 on the phone. Who'll give me more? 250.
275.
The enemy just bid 275, sir.
I want you to say 300.
300.
I have 300 on the phone. Do I hear 325? Let's go, people. 325. 325. 300 once. 300 twice.
It worked.
Of course it worked.
Going.
We're gonna get it.
300 is the last bid on Charlie Parker's Night in Tunisia. Do I hear another bid?
325.
We have 325.
Uh-oh, what?
A new bidder just weighed in with 325.
I have 325. Who'll give me 350?
It's 350 to us, sir.
Oh, okay, now we can do it. Do you believe we can do it?
I believe.
All right. Now get your face back up. Okay, now, say 400. 400.
400 on the phone. 400 on the phone.
450. 500.
500. 500. Who said 500?
We did.
When did we say that?
Just now. 550. 600.
No, stop. Hey, boy.
650. 700.
That's not me. I'm gone. Goodbye.